Hi everyone, I'm here on the 2019 Honda Talon. I'll show you how to check and change the oil on the sub transmission. So right now I'm on the passenger side right behind the door, and so this is basically right behind the passenger seat. So right here, as you can see, let's see if we get that in there, is the dipstick for the sub transmission. Okay, for anyone new to Honda, you'll take it out, wipe it off, and set it in without twisting it in, and pull it out again to check the level. Okay, to drain the sub transmission, you'll go underneath the vehicle, and the drain plug is actually more so on the driver's side, closer to the driver's side, I would say. So right here, it'll say sub transmission oil. Right there's a drain plug which is shooting out towards the driver's side. It's a 17 millimeter. You'll just take an end wrench, drain that out. Once all oil has been drained, you'll reinstall that drain plug to 21 foot-pounds of torque, and then come back up to the top. Unlike the engine, the dipstick hole is the fill location for the sub transmission. You will add 1.35 quarts of GN4 1030 Honda oil, which is the same exact oil that the engine and DCT uses. Once you fill it up, just ensure that it's full on the dipstick. Should be good to go.